SpongeBob, hurry up with that! Mr. Krabs, SpongeBob is up to more nonsense again.
Old days without nonsense. For a good run, Mr. Squidward. SpongeBob, what shenanigans are you up to now?
Think I'm down with something, Mr. Krabs.
You just got a case of the hiccups, son.
Are they dangerous?
No, of course not. And I have a foolproof hiccup cure. Using an old Navy trick.
Old Navy trick. Okay, go for it.
Boo.
Huh? I'm cured!
This might be a tougher case than I thought. Why don't you go home and sleep it off?